In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional talking avatar for your content creation using free AI tools. Now let's jump on my screen to learn the step-by-step guide on how to create a talking avatar.
The first step is to head up to Leonardo AI and click on Generate Image, and here you can enter the prompt that you want your avatar to look like, and then to generate different avatar for you. So you can go ahead and select the one you want. For me, I'm going to select this particular one because it suits me, and then I'm going to go ahead to download it, and then it's going to be saved to my files. And search for 16:9 video. We click on it because it's a video size for YouTube, and then we're going to delete all these elements. Then after that, we go ahead to add the image that we downloaded, the image of our avatar. And now it's uploaded, but I'm going to add it to the editing timeline. And after that, we're going to increase the size to suit the timeline and then download it. And the second step is to head on to did.com, where we're going to generate a speaking avatar. Go ahead and hit on create and add a PNG image we downloaded from Canva. And after adding the image, our avatar is going to be generated for us. And now we go back to Canva, click on delete this image that we generated, and then we go ahead and click on app. After clicking on app, we're going to search for DID presenter. And then we are going to click on DID. And then after that, we head on to 11 elements, where we are going to generate our AI voice. And then we are going to enter the prompt that we want the voice to generate for us and hit on generate. And then the voice is going to be generated for us. After that, we can download the voice to our file. And the final step is to head back and link our DID account. After linking our account, we're going to go ahead to click on the avatar that we generated. So we click on the avatar we generated here, and then we go down to add the audio that we generated from 11 elements. Click on upload audio, and then we're going to select the audio from our media file and then upload it. And after that, we hit on generate, and then our video is going to be generated for us where avatar is speaking. And the final step is to align your video to fit the frame, but this whole video tutorial is completely useless if the video generated is not making money for you. So click on this video on the screen to learn how to make money with your videos.